guys, it is Cooking with Taija Wednesdays. I found a treat to make for you guys. I am making Oreo brownies. I saw it on YouTube and I just had to make it. I want to find out how it tastes. So it's very simple and really easy. Let's just go ahead and get started with this video, okay? Alright. All you need is some brownie mix, Oreos, water and oil, cupcake tray, and your bowl to mix it. And of course you need a mixing spoon. Alright. Okay, so first you're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 or whatever the box says, because I have, you know, Betty Crocker's milk chocolate, and it says to preheat to 350. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to pour your cake mix into the bowl, and then you're going to use 3 tablespoons of water. And then 1/2 cup of oil and 2 eggs. And then you're going to mix it. Now that I finished mixing the mix, I'm going to now use my non-stick cooking spray, or you can use butter and flour, doesn't matter. Okay, like that. Let it just, and then I'm going to like put half of the mix into the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to just pour half of the mix into the bowl. Now, I'm going to just get my Oreos and put them in the middle. Put it in like that. Take the rest of the mix and pour it on top of the Oreo. So yeah. And then you're going to just put it in the oven for 26 minutes. It is done. I'm about to dive in and eat this thing up. Okay, so I'm going to try it. Let's go. Please make it and tag me on Instagram, Taija G, and I just made a Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys loved it. Please let me know what else to bake next on Wednesday. I love you guys.
All this shade that's coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it.